Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today I am going to be sharing how to make Parmentie potatoes. As we all know, potatoes are a versatile vegetable and there are dozens of ways of cooking potatoes. So let's start cooking this dish, and also if you like this dish, give a thumbs up and subscribe to see more recipes.
Check out all the ingredients we need. While preparing the potatoes, I am going to share about the name of this dish. A while back, people actually thought potatoes were just for animals to munch on. Then along came a guy named Anthony Augustin Parmentier. He talked a lot about potatoes and convinced everyone to give potatoes a chance. Because of his cool ideas, we now enjoy dishes like Parmentie potatoes named after him. So that's the story of Parmentier. We have cut our potatoes into 1-inch cubes and placed them in the water along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Let this boil for 5 minutes. Heat the oven to 220 centigrade and spread some oil on the baking tray. Place this in the preheated oven. Now we are going to prepare our garlic. Using the side of the knife, give this garlic some bruises. This helps to release those beautiful flavors. When we boil potatoes, we need to make sure to keep them half boiled. This will only take about 5 minutes. Drain the potatoes and mix them with 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, salt and pepper to taste. Give them a good mix. Add prepared garlic, and now we are ready to transfer this into our hot baking tray. This is going to help to get that golden brown color on our potatoes. Now place the baking tray back in the oven for 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, flip the potato pieces to make sure to get the golden brown evenly. After 30 minutes, our Parmentie potatoes are ready. This is a great side dish or use as an alternative to chips or roast potatoes. These are crispy from outside and soft on the inside. Thank you for watching and see you next time.